In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new vendor to your accounting system. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what information to enter so your vendor records are accurate, searchable, and ready for billing or payments. Start on your dashboard and look at the left side menu. Click on Expenses. This takes you to the area where you manage bills, vendor activity, and spending. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full labels. You're looking specifically for expenses. Once you're on the expenses page, click on Vendors. That opens your vendor list where you'll store companies and individuals you pay for services or supplies. If you're ever unsure whether a contact belongs here or under customers, remember that vendors are the people or companies you pay. Now head to the upper right corner of the Vendors page and click on New Vendor. This opens a clean vendor profile form. We're going to fill it out from top to bottom so everything is consistent and easy to find later. Begin with the company name. Use the official business name as it appears on invoices or agreements. If you're working with an individual instead of a company, you can use their personal or trade name, whichever they invoice under. Next, enter the first name and last name of your primary contact. This helps you know who to reach out to for quotes, billing questions, or support. If you don't have a specific person, use the general contact the vendor provided. Add the account number if you have one. Many vendors assign a customer or account number to your organization. You'll often find it on statements or invoices. Including it now helps with payment references and speeds up support if you need assistance later. Then enter the email address the vendor uses for billing or communication. Double check for typos. A correct email ensures purchase orders, remittance details, and updates reach the right inbox. Include the website if the vendor has one. It's a quick way to access service portals, product catalogs, or help articles without leaving your accounting system. Finally, enter the phone number for the vendor's main line or your contact's direct number. Use a consistent format and include an extension if necessary so your team can dial quickly and accurately. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new vendor will appear in the list, ready for bills, purchase orders, or payments. If you spot something to correct, open the vendor profile and make edits. Keeping these details current prevents delays and mismatches later. That's it. You've added a vendor cleanly with all the key details.